In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Figma, a crucial skill for anyone working with design layouts, particularly when you want text to fit neatly and aesthetically within your project. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, you'll find these steps straightforward, and by the end of this short tutorial, you'll be confidently wrapping text like a pro. To start, open your web browser and go to Figma's official website. Figma is a popular collaborative interface design tool, beloved by designers for its versatility and user-friendly features. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed to Figma's homepage, which serves as your gateway to accessing all your projects and shared files. Now that you're on the homepage, navigate towards the left side of the screen and click on the Design section. This is where the magic happens. It's where you can start creating and modifying your designs. After you're in the design section, direct your attention to the top of the interface and click on the text tool. It's represented by a small T icon and is one of the most essential tools for creating and editing text within your projects. Once you've selected the text tool, it's time to create your text box. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse to draw a text box in the desired space on your canvas. Now, it's worth noting that as you draw, you can also adjust the dimensions of the box to fit the specific area where you want the text to wrap. This allows for more control over the text layout and flow. As you manipulate the text box, keep in mind that Figma's text wrapping feature ensures that text will automatically adjust within the confines of the box you've drawn. This is especially useful if you have text that needs to fit within a predefined area, like a button label or an infographic description. Figma's Smart Design tool helps maintain readability and design integrity by keeping text confined to its designated space without overflowing. With these steps completed, you've successfully wrapped text in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you engage with these tools, the more intuitive the process will become. Don't be afraid to experiment with different text sizes and fonts to see how they behave within varying text box dimensions. This exploration will enhance your design skills and elevate the quality of your projects. Thank you for following along, and keep designing